People, it's been a while since I've done any videos on my usual work stuff, so today I've got an X5 M50D in for Apple Carplay, and what he wants the full screen Apple Carplay. So what I'll do is I'll show you from the beginning how to check the software version. So you go to Maps, press Option, Navigation Settings, Position and Version Information, and it says NBT Evo M, and that only supports half screen Apple CarPlay, but obviously he wants a full screen. So what we're going to do now is program the head unit, which takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we'll apply the Apple CarPlay. So let me get all this set up and I will show you the in-betweens. Right, so we've got that set up, so that's putting the car into transport mode so it can do the programming. We've turned the immobilizer off as well. We installed the Spectre immobilizer yesterday. Customer just bought this beautiful car. So blue screen, that's programming, and that currently shows 30 minutes. It takes about an hour and a half. But yeah, and then once that's done and it's updated to the latest version, we need to connect the phone and see if it actually connects, because if it doesn't, then we need a Wi-Fi antenna installing, and I will try and show you, if I can, how to install that as well. Still going. 22 minutes remaining. Let's see. Back online. There's some errors there. We'll see what they were in a second, and then we'll continue. Right, so that's flashed. We've sorted out the error that we got. So now we are on the latest version, and it's MBTY Evo Y, sorry. So now what we're going to do is install Apple CarPlay. So let's do this now.
What's that? What's that? Oh, that's the survival kit. Oh, I'll put that back under. Leave that there. Your net is in the back. Right. Underneath the seat. How do I do all that?
Right, so that's done. Apple CarPlay installed, Wi-Fi antenna installed as well. We've updated the iDrive to the latest version. We've activated video in motion. We've disabled auto start stop as well. Yeah, I think that was it for this car. We've added the Spectre immobilizer as well yesterday. Just completing the package. So if any of you guys want something like this done to your car, immobilizer, coding, programming, whatever it is, just give me a buzz and see what I can do for you. Thank you very much.